Hi, I'm Brian, and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today we're going on a drive from just south of Flagstaff, Arizona, traveling through Sedona, and finishing out in a drive through Jerome, Arizona. I hope you enjoyed today's adventure. Let me know what you think of driving videos. This road is cool. Those are some pretty cool views to your left. I was off my game today. Should have stopped here also. There's another place I should have stopped. You'll see later. As you probably can tell, we've just entered Sedona. I had a lack of time today and I didn't really know what to see in Sedona, so I just drove through. So I decided to take the Red Rock Scenic Loop road. I figured we can see some pretty cool stuff along the loop. Speaking of places I should have stopped, there's another one. For some reason I thought there would be more pull-offs than there really was, but that view straight ahead is pretty cool. It's a good thing I stopped here because this was the last pull-off. We'll go for a little tiny walk. Just to the top of the hill. Look at that view. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is traveling with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. Willie Nelson called. He said, "Stop singing my music." Well, there's something you don't see every day. That's pretty cool. Well, turning on the main drag, headed off to Jerome, the ghost town. Have you seen that video yet? It's pretty cool. I go to the museum, and then I walk around the ghost town. Well, actually, there's two videos, one for the museum, one for the ghost town.
Turn right onto Douglas Road.
Ooh, must be getting close to my destination. Well, I didn't turn right on Douglas Road because I already turned right on Douglas Road. Now that makes sense. So we're driving through the town of Jerome right now. If you've seen that video, you've probably seen this drive. They built this town on the side of a mountain. You know, they had to be close to the mine. I wonder how many drunks stumbled out of the saloon and rolled down the hill. Okay, I finished my video of Jerome, had my ice cream cone, and let's finish the drive. You'll have to check out the video to see what flavor I had. This was a pretty cool town to check out. I could have spent way more time here. Okay, we're out of town. Let's put the pedal to the metal and let's go. Now that Volvo sounds a little different today. It's got more of a V8 tone. We're at 6,000 feet. This road's still pretty cool looking. Not gonna make very good time, but it looks nice. Well, that was interesting. I thought there'd be more pull-offs. Well, I hope you enjoyed the views of Red Rock. Thanks for watching. I will see you someplace or another. Have a great day. Bye. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.